Hello friends, how are you? Are you sir? Okay. Now, in this lecture, we are going to concentrate on the physical significance of divergence of gradient of phi, or it is called as grad phi. Physical significance of gradient of phi. So, what is grad phi? You already know that. Grad phi is nothing but it is the del operator into the function phi. So this is del operator is a vector operator, whereas phi is a scalar function. Now you can write this value of this grad, that is the grad phi, is I dou phi by dou x, j dou phi by dou y, plus k dou phi by dou z. So this is the value of the gradient of phi, or it is also known as grad of phi. Now the question arises that what do you mean by this gradient of phi? What is the physical significance of this expression? For that we are going to consider the one example in physics. So already considered, first of all, the Cartesian coordinate system x, y and z. Then you put one hot body. Having higher temperature, let's say 100 degrees centigrade. Its body temperature is 100 degrees centigrade. The position coordinate of this is represented by small r. So now phi is a scalar function. That is, it is in terms of the temperature. So it is represented by phi is equal to phi of x, y and z. These are the position coordinates of phi. So this is the phi. This is phi having the body with 100 degrees temperature. Hot body is put it here. Then the position coordinates you can calculate from this Cartesian coordinate system, that is given by phi is equal to phi of x, y and z. Now, what will happen? If hot body is put in air, then it will form the different temperature zones. If you touch that body, then you will observe that the temperature of hot body is very high because it is at 100 degrees temperature. But if you slightly away from it, then the temperature is lower. If you go away from this body, then the temperature go on decreases. That means what? This body forms a different temperature layers or temperature zones. So first zone is, we can say that it is 90 degree. Second zone, if you consider, it is a 80 degree, like this. So that means hot body produces the different temperature zones. Now we are going to represent this r is a position vector of this body. So you can represent r bar is equal to, this can be written as ix plus jy plus kz. You know that. What is the position vector of r? R can be in this direction ix, in this direction iy, in this direction, that is z direction, that is kz, where I, j and k are the unit vectors along x axis, y axis and z axis. So this is position coordinate. Now grad phi, gradient of phi. So you are going to differentiate the phi. You are going to differentiate the value of phi. What will happen? Differentiation of d phi is equal to phi differentiation d phi. Now differentiate this, that is, there are three variables x, y and z. So you can represent like this, that is the differentiation of phi with respect to x into dx. You are going to write such type of differentiation. Plus differentiation of d phi with respect to y, where x and z are the another variables. So you can represent d phi by dy into dy plus d phi by dz into dz. So differentiation of phi is equal to phi of x, y, z gives rise to d phi differentiation, total differentiation d phi is equal to, here there are three variables and therefore partial differentiation. With respect to x, total differentiation. So d phi by dx dot dx, d phi by dy or dava phi by dava y into dy plus dava phi by dava z into dz. So this is the total differentiation. Now all you know that we can rewrite this value is like this. We can rewrite. You may, this value remains same, but we can rearrange that values. How see? First of all, I will write here I into dou phi by dou x plus j dou phi by dou y plus k dou phi by dou z. Dot product of I dx j dy plus k dz. Do you understand what we have done it here? See, this total value is rewritten as like this in two bracket with dot product. So that means I dot I, what will happen? It is 1. I dot I is 1. So dou phi by dou x into dx, this will gives first term. J dot j is 1. That means dou phi by dou y into dy gives rise to second term. Dou phi by dou x into dz, because k dot k is 1 and therefore it gives rise to dava phi by dava z into dz. So that means this total term d phi is equal to rewritten in terms of dot product. Now d phi, that is differentiation of phi, scalar function. What is this one? What is this? Already we know that this is equal to del phi, that is gradient of phi. So we can write del phi, it is the value of this bracket is del phi. Dot product of, what is this value? We know the position coordinates, r is equal to ix plus jy plus kz. If you go on differentiating this value, what will happen? R dot, dr dot, r dot or r vector is written as dr. What is the differentiation of all this? I into dx plus j into dy. Variable quantities are x, y, z. So k into dz. So r is equal to ix plus jy plus kz can be differentiated and it is written as dr bar is equal to I ds j dy plus k dz. So this value gives dr, yes sir. So we can write this bracket into dr. It is vector bracket. Yes sir. So now we can write we are going to write the value of gradient of phi. So del phi is equal to, what we can write? Del phi is equal to, divide this value, that is d phi by dr. So this is the what we are going to actually find the physical significance of gradient term. So del phi is nothing but differentiation. Differentiation means that is the variation of phi with respect to r. With respect to r, variation of phi. If you consider this circle at this point, the r is different. At this point, r is different. At this point, another point, you may write represent. That means variable of r produces different, that is the temperature zones. That means del phi is nothing but gradient of phi, tells us that is the variation of phi with respect to r. Can you understand this? So that means physical significance of gradient of phi gives the variation of different, that is the temperature zones. If you consider as a temperature, if you consider electric field, then you can represent variation of electric field with respect to position, that gives rise to del phi or gradient of phi. That means the variation of the any scalar quantity with respect to that the distance is explained by using the term that is represented as gradient of scalar function. So this is the physical significance of gradient of phi. So I think you may understand all these things. Thank you.